Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on any of our latest content. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the NATO clamp quick release NATO rail clamp with 1438 threaded hole for ARRI locating pin. This little tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to mounting your video accessories. The standard NATO clamp design allows for universal compatibility with 1420 and 3816 threaded holes, as well as an ARRI locating hole on the top. This means you can easily mount it on cold shoe, camera cage, a standard NATO rail to attach your video monitor, microphone, LED light, a wireless receiver viaduct, an articulating magic arm, or any other monitor support ball head. But that's not all. The upgrade lock handle features a pull-out design, allowing for 360-degree adjustment without worrying about the device blocking the locking handle. Plus, the top plate with NATO rail design allows for quick mounting of other devices without the need to remove the previous NATO clamp. Made of anodized aluminum and CNC machining, this NATO clamp is not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. It's the perfect addition to your camera gear for seamless and versatile accessory mounting. So, if you're ready to take your video production to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the NATO clamp quick release NATO rail clamp. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.